Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will try to explain you how can use the negated coil in LSPLC. First of all, we will open our XE5000 software and here we will create the new project. Just go into the project and click it on the new project. We will give the name Negated Coil and click enter. In the coil section, you can see the second option is the negated coil. What's the meaning of negated coil? We can go into the help section. Also, this is a opening from the start. After you will be better understand, I will cancel this. And here you can see the help section. You can just click it on this one. After you can go to the instruction help. XGI, XGR, XEC look like any instruction help. When you click, just only type it here the coil. When you type it the coil and click enter, and you can see the first section 5.5 is coil. Double click it on this one, and after you will find the page with the help of this coil section contacts. In the second option, you can see F11. What he says, negated coil, put the negative value of the state of left connection line into the associated bool variable. If the state of left connection line is off, the associated bool variable is on, and if the state of left connection line is on, the associated bool variable is off. What's the meaning of this writing? He says when you give the signal at your contact or variable which you defined here, this will be if on, your output will be off, and if this is off, your output will be on. This is very special and interesting function. We will write in the ladder box and after we will try. Just go to take one contact. An example, this is MX4 means my internal memory bit M4. Click OK, and next we will choose this one, negated coil. Double click it on this one, or you can drag and drop into the ladder box, and here you can give the name which internal memory or external memory bit you want to be make it on and off. An example, we will take it here, output memory. So we can write the QX4 for an example, and you can take it's nothing issue. Now when I download this program into the PLC, after you will be see this output will be continuously on, and when you give the signal at MX4, after this will be off. So let's download into the PLC. First have to be make it connection with your PC to PLC, and again you have to be right on the click it on the right. Your program will be start downloading into the PLC. Wait for a second, just click it on yes and make it OK, and again go to the monitor section. And now as per seen, this QX4 is on, but our signal is not have. We not make it on, but this is immediately on because of this is the function of this negated coil. If not have signal, this will be on. If have signal, this will be off. I will make it on this MX4, and after you can see now output is off but input is now on. So this is the basic function of this negated coil. Some areas in the logic, maybe you creating some logic look like relays, conveyors or something, where you have to be need when we start the PLC, immediately our motor or hydraulic or whatever needs to be continue on. But as the signal came from the field, our output needs to be stopped. So this is very easy and simple method. If you not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.